Good morning. In this presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX Natural Gas for this week. Before looking into that, let us see what happened last week and what we expected last week. Last week, you can see this tiny red candlestick that indicates the price opening of last week. So the price opened, that was on a Monday, it opened around 17. So the chart which you are viewing is an 1 hour chart. All the candlestick represents 1 hour. Whenever place a cursor on a particular candlestick, you can see the date below. These vertical lines indicate the price opening and closing for the respective days. So the price opened more or less around 158.80, and what we are expecting, what we was expecting was that we expected natural gas to continue and stay in uptrend till 156. Till this zone we expected the market to continue its buy trend or uptrend. And in terms of international prices, nowadays we are looking into the depth of international NYMEX prices also. It was around 2.86, and if you have any doubt, you can go back and see the explanation what we had provided last week. Now let us see what happened after that. So it took after the price opening, the price took some support with the average and it just went up. And you can see on Friday, the price took some resistance around the zone, so that provided resistance. And after breaking this average, clearly the price entered into a zone of 156 and 155. So this is the zone we were targeting. So you can see the price just closed within the zone. To some extent the zone was also broken. The next day the price opened just above that 156. So after breaking the zone, clearly you can see that there was some ups and downs in and around the zone. After breaking the zone, clearly the price came down. So it was well supported by the channels. So we can say that the price after that it was clearly in downtrend. So you can see from 155 the price dropped, and after breaking this 155 we had reversed our decision. You can see our presentations, we went for selling and we had reversed our views. And the price after that after 19th, so from 19th the price came down into the downtrend. So very well you can notice that till after that it was clearly dominated by the sellers. After clearing 145 the price was clearly dominated by the sellers. And on Friday you can see that the price opened at 152, and Friday also the price came down, but it is taking some support around 149. You can see very well notice that price is taking some support around 149, and it had provided a bounce back and closed around 152. So you can see that this is the zone where the price closed on Friday. Now let us go back, and in order to get an in-depth view about how the natural gas market had behaved and how we can proceed for this week, let us go back and have some in-depth views about the market. So you can see the date below, and this chart, international chart, also represents the price opening. And all the candlestick you can see it is an 1 hour chart. Date and time along x-axis and the price quoted in dollars along y-axis. Now you can see this price on 17th. So this is you may notice that 2.86, this is the line we had drawn as a major support zone. So on 17th, that is a major reason we were targeting this zone of 2.86 to find some resistance along with average. We are following these two average, these both are moving averages, and we had modified the parameters and we had made it as a channel. So you can see that the price taking some support near this 2.86, and at last it gave a bounce back and a failure to sustain above 2.86. You can see this is the zone on 18th, push the price down. So that is the zone, let me show you here. So on 18th, a failure to sustain above 2.86. So this is how we need to correlate both the price actions. Here the price failed to sustain above 2.86, so that caused the market to pull down. Again you can see from here the price was continuously dropping. This is the zone where we got on 19th after when we had a evening session on Ganesh Chaturthi. So this point which I had marked here, by means of a trend line that indicates 149, which we got it here. So where we got it here? Yes, we got it here in the Ganesh Chaturthi. So we got it here, yeah, 152, and after that it gave a bounce back. So this is the zone. On 19th we got the price point here. So from here we got a huge bounce back. So the market bounced back till 155, and again it found a resistance and it came down and closed around 155. So this is the zone where we got that price action. On the next day, you can see on 20th also the price was staying lower. The price opened lower and it came down till 149. Now when we see the price action, this is the area we want you to note. On seeing the price action, you can see on 19th itself we had a low in international market, but the price came down till 152. So this is the low that we got on so on the price opening, just we want to make clarification. After the price opening, the market came down till 149. So you can see the leg of this candlestick, it came down till this zone, and after that it gave a bounce back. So from this zone particularly, the price was staying down, but it is slowly moving higher. On Friday, particularly on Friday, we want to show you that the price opened around 152 and there was a drop initially, but the price was staying somewhere here. You can see on 21st this drop, so this tiny drop pushed the market to 149 here. This was caused due to the pressure from the rupee. So rupee, you can see the rupee was dropping, so that created a pressure to push the price down. After that it gave a bounce back. So that is the major reason. You can see here after testing 149 the price gave a bounce back. Now if you watch the price closely, this bounce back cleared this 102.86 zone. So if you are continuous follower, we were following these two averages which is converging. So that indicates that something, a close decision point is going to happen. But if you see that when the price touched 2.84 on 19th, our price was around 155. But now if the price is after breaking this zone also 2.84, we have only 153. This is the zone what maximum we had, 152, that was the zone we had. So these type of adjustments that happen just because of the price actions that is happening in rupee. So we need to monitor the rupee action also. Now you can see on the international price, it is quite clear that the price is breaking this zone of 2.84. You can see this provided a 2.84 provided resistance here. Here also it provided some resistance to push the price. After breaking this 2.84, the price is staying there comfortably, and you can see this long candlestick that broke the 2.84 here and 2.86 also. So that is the reason the price was staying and maintaining a buying momentum. Again it came down and tested this 2.84, gave the buying momentum, and after in the overnight, after our MCX price closes, it is staying higher. So now what we can do in natural gas for this week? So it is very clear that price is staying above the averages in the international market. On we found some good price actions on Saturday. The price just is staying around 153.6. We need to clear this 155 and 156, and in MCX terms we should put something above this average to get a very very clear upward price direction. But what we suggest is that, so the price has got the ability to take some support around the 2.84 and 2.86. So for this week, if the price maintains a support near 2.86 and 2.84, it has got a lot of ability to stay higher. So for this week, natural gas traders, it is going to be a very crucial week for natural gas traders. See, even the price is staying, till the price stays above this 2.86 and 2.84, it has got the potential to move higher. So we need to watch this market very carefully. What does this mean? 2.84 and 2.86 represents? It represents this 152. So this 152 is the line which we need to follow. This 152 represents this 2.84 zone. So unless until the price stays about 152, we have got the lot of possibilities that the natural gas price can move higher. So for this week, on Monday, we expect natural gas to stay in line with the uptrend. So we expect natural gas to move higher, but we had explained it very clearly, the criteria for that. The price should stay above 2.86 and 2.84. If the price is going to stay above the zone, so you have got a lot of possibilities that the price can move much higher. But if it fails below the zone, then again the price can continue its downtrend like what it followed last week. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading session. Today is going to be, and not only today, this week is going to be a crucial week for natural gas traders. Let us see what's going to happen during our trading session. Keep following our videos continuously. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.